Hey friends, this is Latif Hope here. And welcome to the update on Atom Coin. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Atom Coin was rejected by a very long-term resistance of a falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now let's move to the live chart. And this is by the way 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that first we broke out this falling wedge pattern, then we had a nice short pump, but the pricing got rejected by the resistance of a bigger falling wedge pattern. You can see that overall it is moving inside a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern since after the month of May 2021. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another rejection, bounce, another bounce here, rejection, and now recently the price line is bound from the support of this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for LDO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 24th of January 2025 in my members. And here you can also find the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart, and first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this wedge. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the pricing could not break out this long-term downtrend and resistance that is, in fact, the resistance of a big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And now recently, you can see that the pricing is once again almost bound from the support of the wedge. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months since after May 2021, almost for the past 4 years, it is moving inside this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that we had bounce here, another bounce here, and few rejections here, bounce. Then we got another rejection here in the month of March 2024. And we had another bounce here, another bounce here. This was in fact the formation of a double bottom at the support of the wedge. Along with that, price and also tested this long-term support of $3.80 as well. By the way, this $3.80 has been previously working as a very strong support here. And for a few weeks, it had been breaking as support here and support here. And therefore, again, it worked as a very, very nice support. Now, recently, when we broke out the smaller falling wedge pattern, and we had a nice pump, but the pricing got rejected by the resistance of the wedge. And again, we have tested this support of $3.80 along with this long-term downtrend line support of this falling wedge pattern as well. Now, this time, if the price then hits the resistance of the wedge, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $8.40, and slightly higher than the resistance of this wedge. We will have another very strong and long-term resistance of $8.70 as well. That had been previously working as a support here for a few weeks. And here it was working as support, and here it was also working as support. And here back in the month of August 2020, it had been working at a resistance as well. Therefore, again, it can work at a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Atom coin. By the way, in case of breaking out the resistance of the wedge, first the pricing can hit the target for the breakout from the smaller falling wedge pattern. That target is here at the top of the wedge at $15. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance, by the way, because this $15 has been previously breaking as a point of rejection here, resistance here, and almost as a resistance here and support here as well. And recently, it was also working as a resistance here as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $45 to $50. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.